Okay, time for a new tutorial on K2 as it's just been updated to version 2.8. To check which version you're on, log into the control panel of your website, the administration area, go to K2, and towards the bottom here you will see the version number. So we're going to cover a few things in the tutorial. First of all, how to create a new item, add an image gallery, and then also add that to the menu of your website. So first things first, we want to create a new item. I'll just call this sample item. I'm going to put it into a category we've already created. And I have some content already here. So select all, copy. Your editor will be different. I don't actually use an editor, but you'll have a full editor toolbar with formatting, etc. So I'll paste that in. The next thing we need is an image. We should always have an image for the item because that becomes navigable within the website so people can click on it. So I'm going to choose an image. And I'm just going to select a recent image that I created. And at a basic level, that's the item created. So I'm just going to save that. Now the problem is now we need to make that item navigable or make it available for people on the website so they can find it. Now there's a couple of ways I can do that. One of them is to add a direct menu link, or the other is to add it to a category that itself has a menu link. I'm going to do the second one first. So if I add this to the category blog and save and then close, and I'm going to need to clear my cache as well. Delete all. So if I go over to my website now and select blog, you'll see that sample item is there in the blog. And this is the reason why we add an image, because then the image can be hovered over and then clicked. Now another method is to add that item to a menu. So we're going to add it to a menu, main menu, and I'm going to add a new menu item. And give it a name, and now I'm going to select the menu type. So I'm going to say this is K2 item, so I'm linking directly to an item. And then I have to select the item that I want to link to. Select that there. Save that. I should save and close. And going to have to clear cache again. If I refresh the website, there should be a menu item here on the right called sample item. So that links directly to the item that I've just created, as you'll see. Another method is to make it a sub-menu item. So if I go back to the main menu and I find that sample item, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to place it on this sub-menu here for the blog, and you'll see here it says parent item. I'll select the blog as the parent item, close, again clear my cache, delete all, go back to the website and refresh, and you'll see it's there on the menu. There we go, sample item. But you'll notice as well the menu, the URL, has changed, because now it's on the sub-menu of blog. There's one other thing as well. I'm just going to put it back onto the main menu. So make it a menu item route, save and close, clear cache again. So let's say, for example, we're putting an item up that we want to review before it's available for public viewing. The easy way to do that is just go to the main menu, go to the item in question. So we're going to select that menu item, and you'll see here it says access public. I'm going to set that to special, and if I click save and close now, again clear my cache, and then refresh the website, I won't be able to view this. It's asking me to log in, so I'm going to log in. If I navigate to home, so you'll see now that I've logged in as a super user, that item's available, so I can review it, change it, edit the content, the image in the back end until I'm happy, and then once I'm happy, go back to my menu and select the item again, and instead of making the access level super user, just make it public, and that's it, done. One other thing I want to cover in this tutorial is how to add an image gallery. So if I go back to K2 and find that item, if you have the image gallery component installed, you should just be able to go to the image gallery tab and say I want to create a new image gallery and add images, and I'm going to click add files, but I can just drag them and drop them on there. So 1, 2, 3, I'll just add 3 images, and then start the image, upload, and what will happen then is that there will be an image gallery at the bottom of this item. Okay, now those images have uploaded, just click close. I can put a title in for each image and a description. I'll just click save, close that, and then save again, or rather save and close, because I need to clear the cache before I refresh the page. Delete everything. So if I just refresh this page now, there should be an image gallery at the bottom. There we go. And there's the image gallery, so I can open up those images and cycle through them. And if I want to edit that image gallery, I just go back to K2, open up the item, go to the image gallery and edit the gallery, and you'll see here I can select images and then delete, or if I want to, I can add another image. Start upload. So now the gallery will have 4 images instead of 3. Close that, save, get rid of that window, click save again for the K2 item. The only other thing that needs to be covered is optimizing the item itself. Joomla will actually insert the default keywords and metadata or meta description, but if we want to personalize this and make it specific to the content, we just click publishing and metadata, and you see here you've got metadata, so you can put in a customized description. And customized keywords. Click save and close. cache. There we go. Let's just refresh this page. We'll see the additional image that we added in there. There we go. And if I look at the source code for the page, although it's quite compressed, find. There we go. We'll see the keywords that I put in specific to that page. And we can do that with any K2 item. So hopefully that was of use. Any questions, just get in touch.